Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a mani using some new fun Virgo and Gem colors. The first color here is Ocean City and it is a beautiful teal color. And wait till you see it swatched. Isn't it gorgeous? It's so pretty. I love it. Has some teal and green flecks in there. The next one is Vacy Flame and it is a beautiful light dusty rose gold pink with some holographic shift glitters in there. And the swatch is also beautiful too, and when this color hits the light, it is stunning. The next one is Sandals, and it is a beautiful magenta chunky glitter. Isn't she pretty? And look at that swatch. I feel like the swatch is beautiful, and you'll see this color in action in just a little bit. All right, and the next color here is Seaside Cabana, and it is a beautiful chunky glitter with tons of great color in here. You have your aqua, you have some teal, some blue, some purple, some pink. It is beautiful. It is just like a mermaid tail, it reminds me of. And this is one of the UV. And this is Sandy Toes. And it is beautiful neutral color. And wait till you see this once it hits the UV light. It is a beautiful blue, which is stunning. Let's hit that one more time here. Oh, beautiful. And the UVs are super sensitive. And then the other one is Summer Breeze, and it is a beautiful light pink color. It's super pretty. And then let's get some UV on this. And look at that purple. It is perfect. And then here is the UV together. So pretty. Here are all the colors. So there's 4 glitters and then 2 UVs. And all these colors here are beautiful. So this is the colors I'm using for the mani today. And I just think these colors are so pretty together. And then when that UV turns purple, it is even more beautiful. So for today's mani, we're going to go ahead and use the gel method. So these colors do release today. That is Tuesday, July 5th at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. So definitely check out Virgo and Gem Instagram page or their Facebook community page. I'll go ahead and link links to both of those in the description box below. But these colors are gorgeous and they are the perfect fun summer colors. And when I think of summer, you think of sun, and these UV colors are so pretty and they really coordinate well with all these new glitters. So definitely go over there and check them out. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch this mani process, and I'll pop back in a little bit. dry, so we're just finishing up the mani here. And how pretty are all three of these colors together. These glitters are amazing. They are stunning. Wait till you see the after pictures of this mani. I cannot get over it. This is probably one of my favorite summer manis so far. So I hope you guys liked this bonus video for the week, and I will see you soon in my next upload. Bye.